It's smoothie o'clock, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing us how to make a simple but healthy smoothie. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Today I'll be making apple smoothie. Into the list of ingredients, I have 2 green apples, honey, seedless dates, and fresh milk. To start with, I'll be cutting the apples into smaller chunks and make sure all the seeds are removed. Then I'll transfer that into a blender. Add about 3 seedless dates and drops of honey. That would serve as sweetener for the smoothie. Finally, I would add a cup of fresh milk to it and blend everything together until it is smooth. After which I'll be transferring into a cup with ice and enjoy my smoothie. So if you want to enjoy this smoothie as much as I did, give it a try and let me have your feedback in the comment section. See ya in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.